Hello everyone. This application is all about purchase order disable followers. In the purchase module, if we have done any configuration, based on that particular configuration, we can disable the auto followers while creating the purchase RFQ and the purchase order. And now I will show how this configuration in the purchase module will be done and how that application will be working. This is for Odoo 17 version enterprise. First, we need to go to the purchase module, configuration, settings. In this particular settings, you will be able to see a new section called disable followers in purchase. Here we have provided three boolean, that is three option. Stop auto adding followers sent by email. If this particular boolean is enabled, then it should not add any vendor as a follower on the purchase order even selected on send mail wizard. If I tick this particular boolean, that is stop auto adding buyer as a follower, then it should not add a buyer as a follower on the purchase order. If I tick on this stop auto adding vendor as a followers on confirm RFQ, then it should not add a purchase order vendor as a follower. And now I will show, based on the stop auto adding followers sent by email, how this application will be working. I will save this configuration. I will go to purchase order RFQ, that is request for quotation, and I will create a new purchase order for this particular vendor. I will select the vendor as Azure Interior and I will select the product. And based on the product, unit price and quantity, taxes, everything will be coming up. And once this is done, you can save this document. Once the request for quotation is saved, here in the followers, you will be able to see only the user created this particular document will be coming up and this vendor name will be disabled. Once I'll click on send by email option, it will be gone to the vendor, like it will be shared with the vendor, that is Azure Interior. And if I click on send button, this will be sent to the Azure Interior vendor. But here in the followers, you will be able to see only the user created this document will be there. This particular vendor will not be added for this particular document. If I go to the configuration setting and if I enable this particular stop auto adding buyer as a follower, I will save this configuration. I'll go to purchase order, that is RFQ. I'll create a new and I will add a new vendor. I'll be selecting Gemini Furniture and I will add a product. And once I'll add a product, all the information will be updated. In other information, the buyer is Michael Admin. So here I will change this particular as a mark demo and I will save this document. And once I will save this particular document, in the followers, you will be able to see only the user which has created this document will be seen and the buyer, that is the mark demo as a followers, will be disabled based on that particular condition. If I confirm this order, if I come here, you will be able to see there will be a vendor and there will be the user created this particular document will be provided and the buyer will be not added as a follower since we have enabled that option. After this, I will go to the configuration setting and I will tick the third boolean, that is stop auto adding vendor as a followers on confirm RFQ. I will save this particular document. I will go to the orders, request for quotation. I will be creating a new vendor, that is a new quotation I will be creating for a purchase order. I will take ReadyMat as a vendor and I will add a product. Based on the product, you will be able to see all the information, that is quantity, unit price, taxes, everything will be enabled. And once this is enabled, I'll be saving this particular document and in the followers, you will be able to see only that particular user created this document will be shown and this particular vendor will be auto disabled while creating the RFQ. And once I will confirm this particular order, if I come here, you will be able to see only Michael Admin will be there and this particular vendor, that is ReadyMat, will be not added as a follower since we have enabled that particular option. So based on that particular options which we will be selecting in the purchase order, it will be able to disable the followers for all the three, that is the vendor and for the mail and for the buyer. So if you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.